Hey there everyone, welcome to this video. I've just got a bit of bad news here. As you can see on my screen here, Sender.net has suspended my account because they do not allow affiliate marketing, and it is my fault entirely. I forgot to read their terms and conditions of what is allowed and what isn't allowed, so they are not going to work for us, unfortunately. They have such a nice platform, it was easy to use, but it's not possible for us to use them as they don't allow affiliate marketing. But it's not the end of the world. I know it kind of puts a damper on things, but this just shows you that problems will arise and that we need to deal with the problems and we need to solve those problems, and that's how we're going to make this work for us. So I have found another automation or email automation program or software that will allow affiliate marketing, and they are called Email Octopus. So I've already signed up for an account and I went through the process just to make sure we wouldn't have any issues like we'd have with Sender.net. So I'm going to quickly show you how to sign up, and then there is an email that they send you where you need to answer questions, so I'm going to show you that as well. So just to make it clear, on the first video, I recommended Sender.net. That is not going to work for us. So we are now changing the email automation to Email Octopus. I do apologize. I know it's not ideal, but unfortunately these things do happen and we just need to deal with it and move on. But I do apologize sincerely because it kind of, you have to now sign up for another program. Luckily, we didn't start adding any emails into Sender.net, otherwise that would have been a bit of a waste of time. So let's sign up for Email Octopus. Like I said, I've already signed up, so I'm just going to run through it with you quickly. I'll leave a link in the description to Email Octopus. And what you're going to do is click on that link, and then you're going to click on this button that says Sign Up. You're then going to complete your email address, put in a password, and click sign up. The next page will then take you through where you need to complete personal details like your name and your address and all that. And then once you've completed all the information, you are led into the back end, but your autoresponder or the emails cannot be sent out yet until you receive an email from Email Octopus where you need to answer some questions. So I'm going to just pull up that email and show it to you quickly. So the first email you'll receive is this one that says, "Hi there, just a quick note to let you know we're reviewing your new Email Octopus account." You can pause this if you want to read the rest of it, but that's a gist of it. So you'll get this email and you just need to wait for their second email, which is this email. So this was sent 6:39 a.m. It came 6:40. So you literally get it a minute or two later. Then they just ask you a few questions over here. So again, you can pause it if you want to read through this. I'm just going to move up to where I answered them so you can see how I answered them. So let me show you my response. So here is my response. And again, you can pause it and just read through it. Guys, you can copy this, but not word for word. Otherwise, they're going to think something sneaky if everyone sends exactly the same thing. Just look how I answered it and kind of use some of the information, but don't copy it word for word. Otherwise, all our accounts might be banned. So just make sure that if you are going to use what I say here, to reword it completely. And just, use your own thoughts in that and answer it. But you can get the gist of what I'm saying here. At number 5, where I've blocked it out here, this asks you for your contact number. So just put in your contact number there. Right, then I'm going to show you their response to my email. So this is their response. It's, "Hi Bobby, thanks for sending your answers. I've received and approved your account, so you're good to go." So that's good news. So again, you can pause it and read it if you want to. And then I've just put a response here, which you can read as well. And I think that is it. This is just a response to a question I had over here. So you can pause and read everything. So guys, the most important thing is sign up and answer their questions. And again, please do not copy this word for word, otherwise we might run into problems where we'll have to then find another email automation. So use mine just as an example, but don't use it word for word. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to explain to you that we've had to change the email automation software we're going to use. So we'll set up everything in day 3. So just make sure that you don't sign up for Sender.net, but you sign up for Email Octopus. Guys, thanks for watching. And please remember to subscribe. And if you're enjoying this video series, please leave a like. Speak to you guys soon.